Welcome back. You're watching Business Morning on Channels Television's the last lap of the show. Now let's talk to Rotimi Fakaijo, who is an equities trader and the CEO of Enterprise Stockbrokers. Good morning to you, Rotimi. It's great to have you join me on the program today.
Good morning, Harriet.
So it's the last trading day of the week, and it's been a little mixed since we started. But how are the numbers looking like today?
Well, the numbers are looking well, especially for the banking sector stocks and also for the oil and gas. Presently, the market is 0.136, though what we have traded is not much, just about 9 million shares for a value of 136 million naira. We are seeing gainers in the likes of Total, which is gained about 10 naira already this morning, and we're also seeing gain in the likes of UBA. So the market is in a very good position as at this time.
So most likely the usual suspects, that is the banks and the banking stocks and the oil and gas stocks, will provide the necessary bounce that the market will need for today. But talk to us a little bit more about the other sectors, including the other indices, including insurance. That has remained largely quiet in the last couple of trading days. What's going on with stocks there?
Well, quite unusual. Yesterday, we saw quite a good volume of custodian and allied insurance being traded, and that also added a lot of value to the total value traded yesterday. But for now, all indices are positive, and for those who are not positive, they are unchanged. So I think everything is still good to go for the market at this time, including the insurance sector.
So talk to us a little bit about, in terms of value now on volume. We've seen that also looking pretty good. Yesterday, there was a high volume traded in Owando shares. How is that equity looking like today?
Well, for this morning, we haven't had much coming from that stock because presently, all we've had traded this morning is just 1,800 units and it's for a value of 86,400. But for me, for Owando, it's still very early for it to be determined at this point in time. We see better trade as the market continues.
Expect investors to be affected by the upcoming meeting of the Monetary Policy Committee, which starts Monday and Tuesday next week?
Well, to me, I believe definitely things are already taking shape, at least slightly within the economy. And whatever decisions they're going to come up with are definitely those that will impact the market positively. And that is the reason why we are seeing a lot of activities in the market in the positive direction.
Well, Rotimi, thank you so much for joining me on the program this morning and giving us a sense of where those numbers are today. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, Rotimi Fakaijo is the CEO of Enterprise Stockbrokers.